name's Tina and I live in Bray Park. We moved here mainly to help my sister to look after Mum. She looked after us when we were horrible teenagers. It has been so difficult to downsize. My biggest frustration with this bedroom, I've got two. One is storage, because I haven't got anywhere to put my stuff. And the other is privacy. Great big windows that you can look out of and see exactly what Nancy across the road is doing, or Trevor. And I assume that Trevor and Nancy can see exactly what James and I are doing, which is probably not what you want with your neighbours. My sister has a handbag problem too. We both love handbags. They can't just be in their dust bags and popped in boxes under the bed. This room is more my sister's room and I would like it to reflect more of my personality. Definitely feels more like my room. Maybe not so much my husband's, but you know, happy wife, happy life. My favourite would be the collages, followed really closely by the curtains. You've got the darker curtains and the light curtains, where you get the privacy but still get the light. I can probably still stalk Nancy and Trevor, but they won't be able to see me. So my husband can do the woohoo dance at the window. You can cut that out. The storage solutions are brilliant. I still have more handbags, but that's okay, because what I can do now is I can organise. And I was so excited because there's little baskets in there to put your bits and bobs in. I think I'm not alone. Most people have, you know, strong sensory desires. And I always think a day without glitter, pom-poms or velvet is just a sad day. I could add a pom-pom. So even though it's just a bedroom, you feel as though there's different spaces to be, and it can be a tranquil place for me to recharge.